How to change fonts in Discord using different text styles. First, open texttrick.com in your browser. This is a simple way to generate different font styles that you can use in Discord. At the top of the website, click Discord Text. Scroll down until you find the box labeled Your Discord Message. Type the message you want to customize. Underneath, you'll see several options. Select Fancy Fonts to view the available font styles. Scroll through the list and choose the font you want to use. Once you've found one you like, click the blue Copy button next to it. Now, open Discord. Go to the conversation or channel where you want to send the message and paste the copied text into the message box. Press Enter, and your message will appear with the customized font style. You can repeat the same process and try different fonts whenever you want to change the appearance of your Discord messages. And that's it. That's how to change fonts in Discord and use custom text styles. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with others.